Welcome to Shift Zone, the place where we talk about cars that move people, power businesses, and shape everyday mobility. Today's video is focused on a vehicle that has always been about practicality rather than flash, a vehicle trusted by small businesses and families alike, the 2026 Chevrolet Dahmers. In this detailed discussion, we will explore what the 2026 Dahmers brings to the table, how it builds on its legacy, and why it continues to matter in modern automotive markets. The 2026 Chevrolet Dahmer stays true to its core identity as a compact, no-nonsense people and cargo mover. Designed primarily for urban and semi-urban use, this vehicle is all about efficiency, easy maneuverability, and dependable performance. Chevrolet has refined the Dahmers for 2026 with subtle but meaningful updates that improve comfort, durability, and compliance with modern safety and emission expectations, while keeping the vehicle affordable and easy to maintain. From the outside, the 2026 Dahmers maintains its familiar boxy silhouette, which is key to maximizing interior space within a compact footprint. The upright design allows for excellent headroom and a surprisingly spacious cabin. For 2026, the front fascia looks slightly refreshed with a cleaner grille design, updated Chevrolet badging, and revised headlamp units that now appear more modern and provide better illumination for night driving. The bumpers are designed to be more robust, suitable for daily commercial use, and the overall body panels focus on durability rather than decorative styling. Steel wheels remain standard, emphasizing strength and low replacement cost, which is exactly what Dahmers buyers expect. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Chevrolet Dahmers feels practical and functional. The dashboard layout is simple, with all controls placed for easy reach and clear visibility. Chevrolet has improved material quality slightly compared to older versions, offering tougher plastics that resist wear and tear from daily use. The seating position is upright, providing a commanding view of the road, which is especially helpful in crowded city traffic. Depending on the configuration, the Dahmers is available as a passenger van or a cargo-focused variant, allowing buyers to choose what best suits their needs. For passenger versions, the 2026 Dahmers offers seating that can accommodate multiple occupants comfortably over short to medium distances. The seats are designed for durability, with firm cushioning and easy-to-clean upholstery. Large windows around the cabin create an airy feeling and reduce motion sickness for passengers. For cargo versions, the rear area is flat and wide, making loading and unloading goods easy, even in tight spaces. The sliding side door and wide-opening rear doors improve accessibility, which is essential for delivery drivers and shop owners. Under the hood, the 2026 Chevrolet Dahmers continues with a small displacement petrol engine that prioritizes fuel efficiency and reliability. While it is not designed for high-speed performance, the engine delivers sufficient power for city driving and light highway use. The focus here is smooth operation, low fuel consumption, and ease of maintenance. The engine is tuned to meet updated emission standards in markets where the Dahmers is sold, ensuring it remains compliant and future-ready. The manual transmission remains the primary choice, offering simple mechanics and long-term durability. Gear ratios are set to favor low-speed torque, which is ideal for carrying loads or navigating stop-and-go traffic. The lightweight construction of the Dahmers helps the engine perform efficiently, even when the vehicle is fully loaded. This balance between power and economy is one of the key reasons the Dahmers has remained popular for so many years. Ride quality in the 2026 Dahmers is improved thanks to minor suspension refinements. While it still uses a straightforward suspension setup, Chevrolet has worked on better shock absorption to handle uneven roads more comfortably. The vehicle feels stable at city speeds, and its compact size makes parking and U-turns easy even in narrow streets. Steering is light and predictable, reducing driver fatigue during long working hours. Safety has received attention in the 2026 update. While the Dahmers remains a basic vehicle, it now includes essential safety features that modern buyers expect. These may include improved braking performance, reinforced body structure, seat belts for all occupants, and optional features such as airbags and anti-lock braking systems in certain markets. Visibility is excellent thanks to the large windshield and windows, which also contributes to safer driving in busy environments. One of the strongest advantages of the 2026 Chevrolet Dahmers is its running cost. Fuel efficiency remains a major highlight, making it an economical choice for daily use. Maintenance is simple, with widely